Downers Grove South alumni Mary Long returned to the very place that sparked her journalistic passion. Long oversees the production and distribution of DGS Blueprint while simultaneously teaching several journalistic expression courses. Not only does Long oversee the Blueprint and inspire future journalists, she coaches the DGS journalism team as well.
A teacher here, Mr. Andraka, inspired me to do journalism, and my junior year he said to me, "Mary, you're going to be the editor of the paper next year." And I wasn't involved in the paper or anything, I was just in his English class, and I didn't know how to say no, and so all of a sudden I was in journalism and I was the editor.
Long is a well-decorated journalistic advisor with several state medals and over 50 Best of Snow articles written while she has overseen the Blueprint and journalism team. One of those medalists is copy editor Micah Hamburg.
The Blueprint has really improved my skills as a writer, which helped me in various aspects of my life, including college applications. Writing my college essays was made a lot easier by the skills that I've learned in this class. And it also taught me a lot about communication, interviewing different people. Like, I made connections at the school that I probably wouldn't have made if I hadn't gotten the chance to interview those people. And yeah, I would say just communicating with people and learning how to put my thoughts into words better.
High schoolers aren't the only thing she helps. Long currently writes for the high school newsroom, an informational and resourceful bank for journalism teachers around the country. The high school newsroom features a variety of tips and tricks, covering all the major aspects of journalism. In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Micah Olson.